सो आई वाज लाइक प्लीज़ इसका निकाल के उसमें डाल के मुझे दे दो ना। पीछे पड़ गई कि नहीं मुझे चाहिए एंड देन ही गेव मी। हेलो ब्यूटीफुल फेसेस, माय नेम इज रिचा पांडे एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। I know I came after a long time. I took a break. I had my exams, couldn't do anything else. So also because of this exam, I couldn't attend my mama's wedding and it hurts me like anything because I bought 3 lehengas and all the winter clothes which will be appropriate for winter, and I couldn't go. And you know, when you plan and then you are not able to go, it hurts a lot. And I think I will cry. So let's move on. I went to Bandra. This is a Bandra Hill Road haul. So the very first thing I got is this dress. This is a very simple, beautiful dress. You can see it's long, quite long, and we have slit over here, and also here. Also, we have this thing at the back. Also, this is a high-low pattern. This is the star, like this. Back part is the star of this thing. Otherwise it's a very simple dress. So this is a white kurta shirt. It's a basic white kurta. I just ironed it and still it looks like so. At the try-on part so you can see it in a better way. Okay, so let's move on to another one. Let me show you the jeans I got. This isn't a high waist jeans. I thought it would be a high waist, but it isn't. But I really like the pattern. Like this will be the first ever jeans which is low waist, and I liked it. Otherwise, I just don't like low waist jeans. So here we go. I will add the try-on part. So this is really amazing. Like I just love, you know, I just don't like skinny jeans because I'm already skinny, and when I wear skinny jeans I look more skinnier. Moving on to the next one, we have another top. So here we go. This is a very tiny top. You can see how cute it looks in the try-on part. Moving on to the next top, in the same green one, I got a black one too. I already had the similar one, but I got more colors. So this is the black. One in black and one in green. Next thing which I got is this top. Like this is the top I got. The one which I am wearing. It's the very same thing. Is this one. I have ironed everything and still you can see what happened to this. That's why I don't iron my clothes. I got jewelries as well. The very first thing is this one. Like I got a set of this. Like we had 3 this diamond ones and 3 this hoops. Okay. 1, 2 and this set 4 and one I'm wearing over here. Like it was a set and it really looks amazing. These are very pretty. You know, this thing looks so pretty. This 2 earring was from a different set of earrings, so I didn't like that one. Like they were set of 5, so I was like please इसका निकाल के उसमें डाल के मुझे दे दो ना। पीछे पड़ गई कि नहीं मुझे चाहिए and then he gave me. I'm like yeah, okay. Like these 2 are really amazing and I wear them every day. Still not rusted. I hope they don't. Is this earring? Aren't they so beautiful? See? You know, the way I am purchasing more earring, I think earring collection part 2 will come very soon. I don't have space to keep earrings, but still I'm getting. So I just love it because this is the moment I saw and I was like, I want this. And these colors are like so pretty and they are lightweight. It looks heavy, but they are lightweight. And this one I got from Linking Road and not Hill Road. Rest all are from Hill Road. This one is from Linking Road and one more is from Linking Road. Just a second. These are my favorites. Okay. See. Next earring we have are this one. I wore this on Bhai Dooj, and the similar one I got in maroon color. You know, if I get something and I don't break them, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. So I just broke it in 2 different colors. They are very lightweight. According to me, this is the start. These are the wide leg jeans. Like, they are so wide, and I was searching for them since so long. Like, wide. You know, if I wear it and people who don't know fashion, they will be like, she is wearing such a long, huge jeans. But dude, this jeans I just love. Like, this looks very huge on me, but I love wearing such jeans. I will add the try on part so you can watch it. Okay, so let me show you the last jeans. And this is kind of ribbed. This jeans is ribbed. You can get a better idea in the try on part. So okay, so I think so we are done, but no, we aren't done. I have something very cute. So this is a neck piece. You know, I love this so much. Like, I told my mom that to get a gold one made similar like this one in gold, because I just love the design. This looks really amazing. I'm going to wear this on my birthday, and like, I will get the exact same thing made in gold, because obviously this will go tarnished, and if they get rust, then it will create a problem. I always do this. Like, on my birthday I wear different clothes. Like, in one day I wear 3 different clothes. Like, previous time also I did the same thing. Like, I wore 3 dresses on the same day for the college, for my school friends, and for my family. So this time also I'm planning to wear 3 dresses. So I will show the second one, which I got from Bandra. It's too cute. Like, it's way too cute. It is a very floral, little cute dress, you guys. I can tell you. Like, this is so cute. Okay, that's ulta. Here we have, like this you won't get an idea, because it's the tie-up thing over here. It will look so girly, and I never had anything girly like this. So here we have this ruffle detailing. Okay, it's very short. It's not too long. Like, it's way too short. I will add the try-on part so you can get a better idea. We have a chain at the back. Thankfully there is chain, because I'm skinnier from the side, but when it comes to wearing it directly, it doesn't fit in my head. My head is big. This is not my head. My head is big. So the cloth gets stuck over here. So that's better that I have chain. So that's all for today's video. I hope you'll enjoy the video. You did, I know that. So you know what you have to do. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.